So there's a lot of rappers out here these days talking about drip. There's only one drip you need in your life, and that's that antibacterial hand gel drip right here. Come in. From a social distance, of course. Right here we got a 45-inch plasma screen TV playing nothing but the finest work that we create here at Perspective Pictures. In here we got mugs, kettle, microwave, cupboard, lights. We got fridge. You know, we like to keep it stocked with all the essentials, gherkins, salsa dip, and most importantly, company squash. There's a lot of rappers out here these days talking about drip. There's only one drip you need in your life, and that's that antibacterial hand gel drip right here.
Welcome to the creative department. I am wearing different clothes, so don't at me. Let me give you a little tour. We have British snacks that taste like prawns. We've got googly eyes on literally fucking everything. Plant.
Yeah. And here we have this sweet custom imitation puppet. He's wearing a fantastic pair of glasses. He's got this beautiful pink hoodie. He's got Nike trainers. He's got it all, and he looks just like me. And maybe he'll go to space. So as you can see, we use mostly IMAX, but we do have a couple of custom PCs that Ollie built. So go take a look at that.
Oh, hey there. You caught me just in time for cleaning. I'm one of the oldest models we've got in here. Let me give you a tour. We're talking an 8-core, 16-thread Ryzen 1700X, AMD Radeon 580X graphics card, two 240GB SSDs, and a very simple but healthy enough 16GB of HyperX RAM. Sitting on here, we've got the Cooler Master 212 fan, sprite header, heat spreader. I don't fucking care. Basically, what it does, it takes the heat from the CPU and spreads it out. Now, very sensible.
Oh, hey Cribs, how's it going? Original illustration by my talented creators, Harry Wong. We've got the first ever feature film produced by the gang. Original crew members, Ruth Bricks and Ollie Spain. And get that money from LA to NY, the 3,000-mile adventure across the United States. So if you want to learn more, get in touch, work with us, maybe even come work for us.
Whoa. You're not allowed in there, okay? Come on.
I'ma give them hell till they about time.
Anyway, bye guys. Thanks for visiting the office, and yeah, have a good day. See you soon.
Deposit interest rate, I'll let it sit and stack till it's money time. Money time. Buy a building, let it sit and grind. Buy a building, let it sit and climb. Buy a building, let it flip in time. Then start a business LLC. Can these white folks tell me my skin black?